Hi friends, thanks for liking our episodes of Hear Yourself. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. For this next episode of Hear Yourself, we bring to you a topic that is most relevant to the current virus times. The best of spaces for health and wellness from Monotone, the hygiene series. Hygienic, acoustical, sustainable. The HAS mantra from Monotone. For drywalls, ceilings and paneling. Stay hygiene positive, virus negative. Yes friends, good acoustics with high hygiene, all in a very sustainable way is possible. Check out these spaces with Monotone's hygiene series. The lobby is top block Cosmos in 8x4 continuous seamless finish, as also in 2x2 ceiling tiles. For the plenum access to service the utilities like HVAC, electrical, plumbing, oxygen lines and many other things. Top block already has the plus points of water and fire resistance. Now with Mega Puffs, it provides sound absorption too.
Hygienic, acoustical, sustainable.
For this doctor's chamber, the dry walls are tough block as it is anti-termite, anti-fungal, and with antibacterial paint, it is antimicrobial too. The ceiling is Subtex Navi H+, which provides high sound absorption, high light reflectance, and high protection from microbial activity. Some of the prints on the ceiling tiles add to the cheer of the place.
Hygienic, acoustical, sustainable.
For the corridor is tub block dry walls and ceilings for the same reasons as before. Tub block is also paperless, monolithic, a very high density board, perfect for such tough environments. Note the acoustical baffles Slim Wave Glow that provide acoustical lighting as well as safety and information signage.
Hygienic, acoustical, sustainable.
Special rooms like X-ray and MRI sport the Sisoli Serene Plus for the ceiling, which has the dual advantages of RH99 high humidity resistance and antimicrobial feature, just perfect for such spaces, along with top block dry walls of course.
Hygienic, acoustical, sustainable.
For the operation theatre at Parul Sevashram Hospital in Vagodia in Gujarat, there is Astral Aquila in the ceiling, which is very safe for sanitizing and disinfecting, important for such spaces, easy to wash and wipe often. And for the ICU, we have Astral SS stainless steel, as many times can be washed and wiped for life cycle of the product and the building, where higher standards of hygiene are very much needed.
Hygienic, acoustical, sustainable.
The pathology, the testing labs could have acidic fumes and other vapors. Tough block win is the best for these kind of spaces, which is fully encapsulated and is for clean rooms.
Hygienic, acoustical, sustainable.
Emergency wards or isolation wards can get noisy due to multiple patients and many activities. Astral Plus Mensa aluminum perforated metal ceiling tiles are more suitable due to their superior sound absorption and yet being lightweight and non-rusting.
Hygienic, acoustical, sustainable.
Patient's recovery comes not only from the medical treatment but also from the calmness and the tranquility of the surroundings. Subtex Nabi H+, which is antifungal, antibacterial, antimicrobial features, is perfect apart from the fact that they can be printed and help bring some cheer to the patients because they are always staring at the ceiling. The walls of course are tough block and can be laminated with wallpaper that matches the decor.
Hygienic, acoustical, sustainable.
Perforated top block ceiling tiles in the form of top block spots on the skeleton T-grid provide a hygienic yet acoustical environment for this video conferencing room where medical cases are showcased and discussed.
Hygienic, acoustical, sustainable.
Food preparation and its presentation is both a delicate and a sensitive task. Check out Astral SS in the kitchens of DJ Academy in Coimbatore. Astral SS is of course not for everybody, only for those who are very conscious and willing to pay a price for it. The cafeteria must be a fun place for the staff and the visitors to relax after the rigors of medical care and other anxieties. Top block Cosmos 2x2 ceiling tiles, accented by Slim Wave Glow, makes this place very bright and vibrant, yet very quiet. As you just saw, we have total solutions for hygienic, acoustical, sustainable. The HAS mantra from Monotone, for dry walls, ceilings and paneling, for you to stay hygiene positive and virus negative. If you have missed our earlier videos, do check out on our website monotone.com under the media tab. And until next time, thank you very much. Bye bye.